There we go. Second cast in this new pond over here. Oh, he let go. I was messing around with the camera. So we're gonna try it again over there. There we go. Oh, we'll let this one go. There we go. A little crappie. All right, hold on, little fella. All right, there you go. You can see their mouths are so paper thin. Thank you, little fella. Oops. There you go. There we go. This feels like a bass. There we go. Come on. Oh, come on. I've got this on the ultralight, and this guy's pulling to death. You just got to wear him out. I've got the 4-pound line on here, so you just got to be real careful with him. It's a bass. We're going to wear him out before we bring him in. There he goes. Strip and drag, strip and drag. Hold on, little fella. There we go. Look at the size of that thing. On the ultralight. Hope you guys can see that. Make sure this camera's on. Yep. Look at that. A little magnet, like a little crappie magnet. Thank you, Lord. Look at that. We're gonna let him go. Thank you, little fella. Now, you can't get any better than that on the ultralight rod. It was close to 3 pounds. And I'm telling you, a little bitty lure. Here we go. I may be hung up. Yeah.